This is really an opportunity, I think, as well, to talk about the threats to this type of research. What Joel has been working through here is massive amounts of open source data, open source intelligence. So for everybody here that's has a publicly available social media account, largely 80% of social media, that's largely been available to researchers. And there's a bit of a potential shell game going on right now with the CEOs of social media companies. With the launch of ChatGPT, suddenly you have social media company CEOs doing media tours talking about how AI is going to destroy the world. There are real threats from AI to civilization, no doubt. But it's pretty coincidental that 6 months ago, ChatGPT was launched and launched potentially $1 trillion industry that's based on monetizing open source social media data, publicly available social media data. 80% of the social media data most people and researchers had previously had access to. These social media companies are sealing off brick by brick this open source data. So it is a tremendous threat to the Jewish community based on what Dr. Finkelstein just outlined for you, that this data is becoming increasingly unavailable to research organizations and the public in the national security sector writ large. I also would be remiss not to really thank you, Or Lenchner, who's here, CEO from Bright Data, who, when he heard that we were here talking about these issues, has partnered with the NCRI and helped provide us with data through a lot of our research that has helped us do some of the work that we do. So I just think it's something else that lawmakers need to be aware of and be galvanizing other lawmakers from around the world to understand that these issues happening with social media companies sealing off all of the social media data from the research community and the intelligence field is very detrimental to vulnerable communities.